Thank you for coming and making the 2000 Irish Fest such a tremendous success. And thank these musicians for helping us make this festival such a tremendous success. We're going to get started in just a minute. Again, I'm Ed Ward, and thanks for a wonderful weekend, folks. I just want to acknowledge, before we start, the Irish Fest president, Donna Brady, who's over here to my right, and executive director, Jane Anderson, who is over here to my right. I think that they'll be out dancing in about 20 minutes. So this group of people up here is the Irish Fest House Band. You probably recognize them. I'm going to turn this over right now to Matt McGranahan so we can get the music started.
Good evening! Welcome to the Scatter sing. Gonna be less talk and more tunes. Is that okay? hands together here for Mairead Nimwini and Alton, who are going to lead the next set of tunes. This weekend. Hopefully you've had a good look around the cultural village and found out a lot of information, because this is basically most of Donegal at the front of the stage here. Gonna hand you over to Mairead Nimwini and Maya Brennan for this song.
Ska
Irish Fest house band are available for weddings, birthdays, bar mitzvahs. You want to book us? We're going to go into our last set of reels. Want to see you absolutely rock the joint. A two-story bagpipe player.
That's only part one. Well, now we're going to give us a few minutes to bring up the singers of songs. We're going to have you sing along with us to a few songs, and we're going to get set up. But how about a hand for all the Irish Fest volunteers from all of you out there? And how about the folks from Derry and Donegal? What a fantastic, fantastic showcase. And thanks for everybody involved in planning and making that happen. Give us a few minutes. We're going to get the singers set up. We'll be right back with you.
Hello, Milwaukee! Now we have some band here on the stage of rogues and romancers and fleet-footed dancers. There was a wild colloquial boy, Jack Duggan was his name. He was born and raised in Ireland in a place called Castlemaine. He was his father's only son, his mother's pride and joy, and dearly did his parents love the wild colonial boy. At the early age of 16 years, he left his native home and to Australia's sunny shores he was inclined to roam. He robbed the rich, he helped the poor, he shot James McAvoy, and the terror to Australia was the wild colonial boy. And one morning on the prairie, as Jack he rode on, listening to the bucking bird singing a cheerful song. Up stepped a band of troopers, Eddie Davis and Fitzroy. They all set out to capture him, the wild colonial boy. Surrender now, Jack Duggan, for you see we're 3-1. Surrender in the King's high name, you are a plundering son. Jack drew his pistols from his belt and proudly waved them high. I'd fight, but not surrender die. And then he fired a shot at Kenny that brought him to the ground. And turning round to Davis, he received a fatal wound. A bullet pierced his proud young heart from the pistol of Fitzroy. And that was how they captured him, the wild colonial boy. Yeah!
Well, how are you all doing? Tim Finnegan lived in Walking Street, a gentle Irishman, mighty odd. He had a brogue so rich and sweet, in the rise of the world he carried a heart. See a sort of a temperance way, with the love of the liquor, poor Tim was born to help him on his work each day, the drop of the crater every morn. Whack for the down, dance with your partner down the floor, your collar shade. Isn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's way. One morning Tim felt rather full, his head felt heavy and it made him shake. He fell from the ladder and he broke his skull, so they carried him home, his corpse to wake. They laid him out in a nice clean sheet, and they laid him out upon the bed, with a bucket of whiskey at his feet and a gun of porter at his head. Whack for the dano, that's with your partner down the floor, your assembled at the wake, and Mrs. Finnegan called for lunch, for she served them tea and cake, then pipe, tobacco, and whiskey punch, while Biddy O'Brien began to cry. Such a nice clean corpse did you ever see? Tim Mavourney, why did you die? At a hell your cop said Billy McGee. Well, the dado dance with your partner round the floor, you tired shit. Isn't it the truth I tell you? Lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Then Mickey Maloney ducked his head when a bucket of whiskey was flung at him. It missed and fallen on the bed. The whiskey splatters over 10. And begone he revives, see how he rises. Timothy rising from the bed, saying, when you're whiskey around like blazes, thundering chairs, do you think I'm dead? Well, the dado dance for your partner around the bar, you tired shit. Isn't it the truth I tell you? Lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. And whack for the dado dance for your partner around the bar, you tired shit. Isn't it the truth I tell you? Lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. How was your old one?
I was asked by the Ward family, I said yesterday here that this is not Woodstock, this is Wardstock. Anyway, oh, sorry, it's right there. I was asked by the Ward family to sing this song in memory of Chuck, and also in memory of Eugene Byrne. Two great Irish Fest friends who have passed away lately. Singers never die, they live on in their songs. Tommy and Liam and Chuck and Eugene, like the minstrel boy. Now the minstrel boy to the war is gone. In the ranks of death you will find him. His father's sword he has girded on, and his wild harp slung behind him. Land of song, cried the warrior bard, though all the world betrays thee, one sword at least thy right shall guard, one faithful fan shall praise thee. Their life goes on in endless song above earth's lamentation, and they hear the real though far off hymn that hails the new creation. Through all the tumult and the strife, they hear our music ringing, and it sounds an echo in their souls. And how can Eugene and Chuck keep from singing? Now the minstrel fell, and the foeman's chains could not bring his proud soul under. The heart he loved ne'er spoke again, for he tore his cords asunder. Send no chain shall ever sully thee, thy soul of truth and bravery. Thy songs were meant for the pure and free. They shall never sound in slavery. That's for Chuck and all the lads who passed. Sing this song here. G. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. But I play the wide rover yourselves and this snow. Seamus Kennedy.
I went into an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady my money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay, saying custom like yours I can have any day.
And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the White Rover. No, never, no more. Paddy Murphy.
And out of me pocket I took 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes open wide with delight. She said I have whiskey and wines of the best, and the words that I said they were only in
Now walk
jest,
in.
and
It's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the White Rover. No, never, no more.
Yeah, out of me pocket I took sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She says I have whiskey and wines of the best, and those words that I told you were only in jest, and it's no, nay, never.
No, nay, never, no more will I play the White Rover. No, never. Kevin Byrne.
I'll go back to my family and confess what I've done, and I'll ask them to pardon their prodigal son. And if they caress me like they done before, then I'm never gonna play the wild road
Kevin
no
Byrne.
more.
And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the White Rover. No, never. One more time for Magnus. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the White Rover. No, never, no more. Turn Milwaukee. Farewell to you, my own true love. I am sailing far away. I am bound for California, but I know that I'll return someday. Milwaukee, fare thee well. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Seamus Kennedy.
Farewell to Prince's Landing Stage, River Mersey, fare thee well. Farewell to Anfield and Old Park Lane, places that I know quite well.
So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Richard.
I have shipped
ship. Davy Crockett is her name, and Burgess is the captain of her, and they say that she's a floating
Milwaukee
hand.
by yourselves. So beautiful. Now the sun is on the harbor, love, and I wish that I could remain, for I know it will be some long, long time before I see you again. Milwaukee. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. One more time for madness. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Yeah! Will you please welcome Milwaukee's old Finbar McCarthy?
Thank you very, very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we sat here yesterday and we watched everybody celebrating Chuck Ward's life. And God bless him, he was a great man. He was one of the founders of Irish Fest. He was brilliant. And it dawned on me that over the last couple of years, we have lost some absolutely fantastic entertainers here in Irish Fest. People like Tommy Makem, Liam Clancy, the list goes on. And I sat there this morning and I thought to myself, it's time we gave them a little bit of a send-off. And with your permission, I will read you this little thing that I wrote this morning while I was waiting for my tongue to come down off the top of the roof of my mouth. The years go rolling by us, and August comes again. Familiar faces gather like drops of falling rain. The greetings and the banter are heard again once more. The pipes, the fiddles playing down here by the old lake shore. Will you go there, lassie? Will you go? On a newborn summer's evening, the laughter can be heard, and the sound of children playing way past their time for bed. Ah, those old familiar voices singing songs of days of yore, remembering all our long-lost friends down here by the old lake shore. Will you go there, lassie? Will you go? So God rest you, Tommy. God rest you, Liam. Chuck, you're resting too. but your songs will live forever when we raise a glass to you. And to all good friends before us, our hearts, they grieve full sore. But your songs will live forever down here by the old lake shore. Oh, the summer time has come, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the white mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie?
Sing the chorus for absent friends. And we'll all go together to Black White Mountain time, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And if my true love she were gone, I would surely find another to pluck while mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie? Let's sing the chorus for Chuck Ward. And we'll all go together to Black White Mountain time, all around the blooming heather. Milwaukee, sing the first verse by yourselves. The summertime is coming. Oh, and the trees are sweetly blooming. And the wild mountain thyme blows around the blooming heather. Beautiful. One final chorus, Milwaukee, 2011. Good night, God bless you all. And we'll all go together to Black White Mountain time, all around the blooming heather. That's too good to stop. One more time, just for badness. Come on, here we go. And we'll all go together to Black White Mountain time, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie? Milwaukee 2011. Good night. God bless you all. Safe home until next year. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it.